No, I'm not
However
doing
you
that.
want it.
I'm trying to show you this closet. I'm not doing all that.
Hey guys, it's Alvin Wayne, and we are in my bedroom yet again. No, I did not change anything. I am satisfied with my bedroom as of now. But you know, us creators, we like to change things. But today we're going to tackle my closet. So I called in my good friend Chaz from CPE Organizing, and we did a virtual consult. So he saw the closet through photos, and then he sent me the recommendations of things that I need to purchase to maximize space in my closet. But he has never seen it in person, and I'm kind of nervous. So Chaz, okay, so I'm nervous to show my friend my closet, and I'm low-key nervous to show y'all my closet too. But keep in mind, it is New York, and this is one of 3 closets. I'm lucky to have 3, and they're all a hot mess. I'm not gonna lie.
Let's open it up.
Okay, let's open. You do the honors. And y'all, this is a real reaction. He has never seen the inside of my closet. So, but it's okay, because we're gonna fix it today, right?
Yeah.
I'm nervous. So.
What is this?
Oh, those are my Christmas ornaments for the Christmas tree.
In the closet.
I had no place to store it.
Okay, so we're gonna fix it. Okay, we'll get all this stuff.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna get to it. So let's get to it.
Let's get to it.
All right. All right. So what is the plan of attack for my closet?
All right, so we did the virtual consult. So did you get all of the shoe boxes I needed, the hanging equipment, and everything? Okay.
Everything's ordered. I was a good client.
Yes. So thank you. Good. Got that. So now the next thing we're gonna do is you'll leave, but what I'm gonna do, just so you know, everything will come out. Everything we organize, I'll see what we need. I'm actually gonna do some additional colorization things you have going on in here. And so everything will be separated on style, pants, shorts, long sleeve, short sleeve. This is going to be a little different. We're going to stack up, have our shoes up there, and then at the bottom you'll start to see spacing, and so we won't have these Christmas ornaments in the closet because it is a closet for your clothes, not your storage unit. So I'm going to move that out, and I see another little bag or something on there. I don't know what all that is.
Okay, actually those are shoes. Those are more shoes.
Oh, more shoes. Okay, so we'll possibly move those up here.
Seasonal shoes.
Okay, great. So that's what'll happen. So if you happen to come in, you'll see all the stuff on the bed, but don't worry, it's all gonna get back.
Perfect. Oh, and key point, I have all matching hangers already.
Yes, which is great. Matching hangers is the key thing.
So I'm somewhat organized. I got it together some way, somehow.
Somewhat. But,
watch this somewhat, somehow.
Somewhat.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get out of here and I'm gonna let you do your thing.
Yes, I have to go to work.
Peace. Alright guys, so Chaz has worked his magic. I have not seen anything. I left out the room. I was minding my business because it is my business. But now we are going to see my closet. It's all on you. So what you gonna do? I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right.
Y'all, look how much more space I have.
Yep. So you can, I know you like to shop, so you can go out and get all your shopping things in. So what you'll see, you can't see it all the way, but see this rack here?
Mm-hmm.
So it's an extender, so it gives you an additional pole. So I'll put them on both sides.
Alrighty, so on the left-hand side, you're from your whites to your grays, colorized. And then at the bottom of the rack, you'll see this organizing rack here. We did an additional storage rod here. So you'll have your pants and your shorts on this side. That's all your colors. Right. And then on this side, you love all your black. So you see all your black on this side, your black tops. And then on that bottom rack, you have all your black bottoms down here. And then at the top, we just added some shoe bins here. So your shoes can be organized. And what I love about these are they're just a fold down drop box. And then there's some magnetic things, so you just flip back in. Alrighty, and so right here you did have a shirt up here, and I moved that so it's over here where it should have been. But then your everyday bags are still on here because this is just your grab and go, so there's no need to store them underneath anything. So we wanted to keep those right there. And then you do have a couple bags that you still have stored, your totes and different things there in the back. Nice and neat.
All right, guys, so that is my closet. One of 3, I may add. I know it's a little tight, but remember, it is a New York City apartment and the closet space is tight. So we made the best functional use of my space in this closet. And then, of course, I do have more shoes, and we're gonna create another shoe closet in one of the other closets. So, thank you to my dear friend Chaz from CPE Organizing, always organizing my life, getting my life together so I can get But thank you, and you can find him on Instagram at
CPE Organizing.
And then you can find me on Instagram at Alvin Wayne. And as always, I would take you guys with me when I'm organizing trips, not organizing trips, organizing my house, city field trips, what to do in New York, just the world through my lens and my eyes. So thank you. Make sure you like, subscribe, share. And as always, I'll see y'all next time. Trabajo, that means to work in Spanish.